Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have another birthday entry for you today, and this is coming from Eileen Mack. Oh my gosh, you guys. Never have I met anyone with the same first name as myself. And when I met Eileen through Crafting with Fury, and also through It's a Deal, Leanna, Diane and Leanna, that's where I met or came across Eileen Mack. So and her last name is Mack, M-A-C-K. So thank you, girlie, for joining. I'm so excited. And yes, she is entry number 46, and I just cut the top open so we could get into it. Her gorgeous envelope got a little roughed up from the post office, but it's okay. It's still here. It's gorgeous. And of course I can't pull it out because I am just that way. I just can't open anything. That's why I cut it open, guys, so I don't have to struggle on camera, but I guess I am. I'm gonna struggle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. Why isn't it coming out? Eileen. Get your life, girl. Get your life. Oh my gosh. Eileen, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, I see why. It kind of got stuck. It's okay. That's right. I got it. I got it. Oh my goodness, Eileen. Oh, look at her gorgeous card, guys. Beautiful flowers and butterflies. And it says warm birthday wishes. So pretty. These are, dang, what are these roses called? I forgot. But I love these flowers. Gorgeous. Let me see. Let me see. As you start another year with new goals to pursue, here's hoping you find contentment in everything you do. May your smiles be plentiful, worries be few. Wishing you a year filled with special blessings for you. Oh, that is Samantha Chase Myers. Wow. Oh, she got some fun stuff. Oh, yes. It says, Dear Eileen, I'm so happy to join on your giveaway. Hope you like the memory decks I created for you. Happy birthday and hope you have many more. Always enjoy your channel and friendship. Love, Eileen Mack. It's so special to me because never, like I said, never have I ever met anyone with their name spelled exactly like mine. So beautiful. Says, may this birthday be the beginning of a wonderful year. Thank you so much, love. Oh my goodness. Thank you, thank you. Look at the little fun confettis here. She's got itty bitty hearts. Alrighty, let's look at what she sent. Oh, so smart. She put a little piece of cardboard just so that it doesn't get bent. Look at that, genius. Wow, she's so smart. Thank you so much, love. Look at what she shared with me. The gold happy birthday stickers, and these are from Crafter Square, and I never seen this in my Dollar Tree. Look at that. It just reminds me of Maggie Holmes, her gold sticker, puffy sticker. These are puffy stickers, guys. So awesome. So awesome. Thank you, Eileen. Oh my gosh, it's my party. Oh my gosh, I gotta take her card out. Look at her fun sequin mix in the deck. Oh my god. You know where that's going, right? That's going straight into my birthday jar. Oh my goodness. Let me show you my birthday jar so far. Look at all that fun stuff. Isn't that cool? I love it. This is so far from a lot of the entries that have been coming in. And definitely going to add that to the mix. But look at her card. She has this fun top here. And I think this is the, yeah, it is. It's the stickers. This is gorgeous. It's my party and I cry if I want to. And she made a shake. Look at these little itty bitty butterflies and stars and hearts. These are so super tiny. Oh my gosh, Eileen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then the back just says handmade by Eileen Mack. She has a stamp, you guys. Girlie, I want to know where you got your stamp. This is so cool. Love, love, love it. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see her info. She got her card in here. It says Eileen Mack is her YouTube channel. Her birthday is April 17th. She loves cats, pink, purple, and swaps. Oh, that's so fun. There you go, hun. Look at that. She's got Dollar Tree eyelash trim. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love it. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, girly. And then her pocket is the whole card. Look at that, guys. How smart is that? I love it so much. Thank you so much, girly. This is so amazing, you guys. I'm going to leave her info down below in the description box. And please go check her out. She's such an amazing woman. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go show her some crafty love. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.